Studying at Coding Temple was one of the best decisions I've made in a very, very long time. The work was challenging. Programming is hard. It requires you to think in a way that you are often not trained to think, and our projects were often really got into the nitty-gritty of how web dev or data science would work. A lot of our assignments were really challenging. I would sometimes sit with them stuck for a few days. Connor would say something, or I would have sort of a flash of insight and everything would click and I'd have it figured out. Pandas and NumPy are, from what I understand, the state-of-the-art tools for data analysis in the modern professional world. You simply cannot be a successful economist or data scientist without some assistance from them or someone on your team knowing them.
Well, I had just moved to Boston. I was kind of looking for a change. I really wanted to get deeper into the tech world without having to go back for another bachelor's degree. I decided to look into coding bootcamps as an alternative, and I found Coding Temple. The coursework was difficult. When we were there to work, and we were there to learn. Our instructor, Connor, was always patient and helpful and always had time to kind of walk through it with us. I had a great experience at Coding Temple, and I would recommend it to anyone.